In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant into Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill out, and which permissions to choose so your accountant has the right level of access to help you. Once you're signed into Xero, start by opening the organization menu. Click your company name at the top of the screen. This is where Xero keeps all the key options related to your organization, so it's the quickest way to reach the settings you need. From that menu, choose Settings. Settings is the control center for your subscription, features, and users. Heading here ensures you're making changes at the organization level, not just within a single module. Inside Settings, select Users. The Users area lists everyone who currently has access to your Xero organization and shows their roles. It's also where you'll add anyone new. Next, click Invite a User. This opens the invitation form and is the starting point for granting secure access to your accountant. Enter the accountant's first name in the first field. Using their real first name helps you identify them easily later, especially if multiple advisors support your business. Enter the SID name in the next field. Keeping names accurate makes your user list clean and avoids confusion if you ever need to audit access. Type the accountant's email address in the email field. Double check for typos here. This is the address Xero will use to deliver the invite. If the email is incorrect, the invitation won't arrive, so it's worth a careful look. Now, set the permissions. Under Permissions, choose Business and Accounting. This category is designed for day-to-day financial work and gives access to the areas accountants typically need. Within that section, select Advisor. The advisor role is tailored for accounting professionals. It provides the tools required for month-end adjustments, reporting, and general ledger work without handing over ownership of your subscription. Only grant advisor to someone you trust, since it's a powerful role meant for professionals managing your books. When everything looks right, click Send Invite. Xero will email the invitation to your accountant and add them to your users list with a pending status until they accept. If they don't see the email right away, it may take a few minutes to arrive. That's it. You've invited your accountant into Xero with the correct role and access. This streamlined setup helps your accountant work efficiently while keeping your organization secure and organized.